Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Weebly. Whether you're refreshing your website's look or starting fresh with a new design, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Website and click on it. This section houses all your site management tools. Under the Website option, you'll notice an Edit Site button. Click on this to proceed. If you manage multiple websites, you'll now need to choose which one you want to edit. Select the site you'd like to update from the list presented. Once you've made your selection, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click on it to open the site editor. Now you're in the main editing interface. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar with various options for customizing your site. Look for and click on Theme. This is where all your design customization happens. Once you're in the Theme section, focus on the left side menu. Here you'll find an option that says Change Theme. Click on it to explore new design possibilities. This action will take you straight to the Theme Gallery, which is Weebly's collection of pre-designed templates. You'll see a variety of themes organized by style and purpose, giving you plenty of options to match your website's needs and aesthetic. Browse through the gallery and take your time exploring different designs. Each theme offers a unique look and feel, so find one that aligns with your vision. When you've found a theme that catches your eye, simply click on it to preview how it will look with your content. If you're satisfied with your choice, click the Choose Theme button. Weebly will apply this theme to your website, instantly transforming its appearance. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Weebly theme and given your website a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.